students of Standard 6. Today we learn Chapter 6 Revision. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas is a Christian's festival. In this lesson, the writer is telling us how a family helps to the poor. A family, March family, whose father, the main man, is gone in the civil war to earn some money. He has lost the money and he is gone for war. In the family, he is not there. And family with the 4 children, mother and a lady who helps them is there, Hannah. The 4 girls' name is May, Jo, Beth, Ami. Then Hannah and mother. These 6 people were living. On Christmas morning, mother got up early and she packed the gifts for all the 4 girls and she kept under the pillow. And she went to the neighborhood to help them, to give some poor people something, to help them, those who are not having things. Because we know war was going on that time and many men were not there and family were struggling. And here, this 4 children's mother, she knows that how difficult to manage a family. So within her difficulties too, she saved things to give others, to help on Christmas Day. First, May got up from the sleep. She went to search the stocking. You are usually keep in front of the door or something, and there somebody comes and gives some small gift for them, and they can be happy. She went, but she found no stocking. She felt little bad and remembered that we have nothing. Father is not there. We don't have much things. So mother might have not kept. She came to the bed again and she saw under the pillow one crimson colored packet. She was very happy. She opened the packet and she saw a beautiful book with the beautiful words and top written by mother. It's to be read. Soon she called Jo. Jo, you open your gift, see what is you have. She also got up, she opened the packet. It was a green color packet. And she opened, both the sisters started to read. When they were reading, Beth and Ami also got up. Seeing that both sisters were reading books, they also got up and said, Beth said to Ami, come, we too will read like our sisters, they are doing. And if you find difficulty, I will help you to read the spelling and meaning. And even if we don't understand, sisters will help us. Beth had that confidence that if I am unable, my elder sisters will help. And both got up. Beth had dog color and Amy had blue color gift. They were very happy. And they were deciding what to do for mother gift. All had one basket there, they packed. And Beth had made beautiful handkerchief which Hannah had washed and ironed and kept. Meg and Jo also had some gift. And Ami had bought cologne water. Cologne water is some perfume. In Germany only we get that. German perfume, it is UD cologne, which is very gentle. You can put on the face and body anywhere. It's not harmful. It is very light and decent smell. So she had bought a small UD cologne water and one cheap type of flask. She took that early morning and she went and changed. She took better quality UD cologne big one and better quality flask and she came. And she said, now I have decided not to be selfish. I decided not to be selfish. So I have exchanged the gift and brought it for Mama that she will be having. Beth also said, it's very good, and I also have kept the handkerchief. They were all waiting by the time Mother came in, and they hid the gift back, and Mother came and said, Happy Christmas, children. They all were very happy and waiting for the breakfast. But before they take the breakfast, Mother said, I want to tell you something. I want to tell you that there is a family in our neighbor, they are starving. And there is a newborn baby with fever. So first they were shocked when they were waiting on the festival day to have the meals with the family together. First of all, father is not there, he has gone for the war, and here mother was not there, so they were waiting. I am shocked, but still something has to be done. So Joe said, Mama, very good that you came now before we started eating. So we'll pack things. Ami said, I too will pack with the cream chocolate and this and that. Every girl, all four of them got ready. Hannah also took some firewood and they went back door of the house that no one should see funny party. They reached in the family and Hannah went, saw the broken window pan. She took one old hat and covered that, and she put her own shawl and she covered that. Room became all right. She put the fire and room became warm. Fire was put, arranged. Mother went, took the new baby and she cleansed and she put the new dress and things, everything kept ready like her own child. The girls, they set a table and arranged the food for them. Called these children, made them to sit near the fire and gave them the food to eat. And they were enjoying. Seeing the enjoyment of the children, they felt very happy. They felt very happy, and that how the children were eating like a birds. Birds you can see now, they jump around and speak, shout and make some noise of their own and they enjoy. Like that, these children were eating and enjoying. Looking at these hungry children, they felt very happy, content. They were very happy. And after feeding them, they came back to their own house as a content person with the full of joy and happiness. It was a real Christmas for them. And then to satisfy their hunger, they took little milk and bread on that. And mother said, we will make it for the dinner something. And mother was very happy that her children were ready to sacrifice their own breakfast and help the children. The poor family, they helped on that day, who did not have anything, got proper and better breakfast. Dear children, it is always good to help. Be kind to other who has nothing especially. There are different people in different needs. If we can, according our own capacity and ability, we should help them. Helping is not only giving food or cloth or money. We can help anywhere those who are in trouble. Somebody is fallen. Instead of clapping and laughing, we can help them to get up. If somebody is crossing road and they are unable, we should help them to cross. So what the need requires at the moment that you should be able to help and do it. If you cannot do, ask somebody to help them and get that person need be helped. In their need should be helped. Okay children? Thank you.